brings to you the grey Francolin, found in the plains and drier parts of India. They have distinct rows of brown feathers with a pale face and throat. They have throat with rufous buff, circumscribed by dark ruler line. They feed on seeds, grains, insects as termites and beetles. Called as Bada Bater, Bhura Tittar Ghagus Batar, Teetar. They are weak flyers and fly short distances. Pairs are established when female chooses a male and pairs remain together for life. Both male and female grey francolins breed during the first year after hatching. These birds are caught from their habitats for trade. Killing a grey francolin is a punishable offense. Photographs Dr. Harmeet Singh